how to change the filament in an AMS. So the first thing we want to do is press these two little tags down so we can open up the lid. Then what we want to do is press this grey button here towards the actual filament roll. I'll zoom in on a different filament and show you what I mean. Then, with it pushed in like that, you want to roll back the filament onto the spool. Make sure you keep hold of the end so it doesn't loosen. Then we'll go over to the desk. Here we are with the grey. What you want to do to store it correctly is put one end of the filament through the hole like that and come back through the other. These holes are all the way around the spool. So I'll just put that to a side and I'll show you how I store my filament in a moment. Let's open up a box of PLA filament. I'm going to use blue here, so we'll cut it open. Keep this little bag, we'll use it with our grey. Get the PLA, and you can see it's got this little sticker to hold the filament down. We'll snip that off, and we'll head back to the AMS with the blue. So let's come back with the blue, place it in the AMS, and you want the filament to come over the top, as you can see here, and go into that little hole. So you want it to come over the top so it runs smoothly into the hole, not underneath. Then you want to press that little plastic tab, as we did before, forward and feed in the filament, and then the AMS will do the rest. This may take 30 seconds to a minute, and once you get that steady light, that means the AMS has read it if you're using an official RFID tag, say from Bambu Lab. So we're already there because they've got a steady light. And if we go over to the LCD screen, we can see our AMS has picked up that blue. However, let's go back over to our desk, where I'll show you how I store my filament. I have these self-seal bags. I put it in. Now you get these little tag things what help you close the bag up. Then you get a pump what goes over this section here, and you need to pump the air out of the bag. Now if you had my time again, and I will get one soon, is I'd get a battery operated pump. However, this one does work, just a little bit slower. And then I store these just like this. Keeps them nice and dry. Let me know in the comments how you store your PLA or any filament, if this is the way you do it, or any other different ways. That'd be interesting to hear how you store yours. However, I hope this video shows you how easy it is to change your filament in your AMS. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.